Top 10 things you should not do at Adams. Number 1, do not try to get attention by falling out of your chair.
Number 2, saying you did your homework when your teacher knows you didn't.
Please turn it in. Homework packet. Homework packet, please. Let me look at it. Doesn't look like you did the spelling section of your homework packet.
But I did it at home.
Okay.
I left it at home.
Right. Are you really ready for Adams?
Oh.
Number 3, don't fall asleep in class.
Can you tell me what investigation is? Wake me up! Number 4, don't crawl over the floor like you're an animal.
Can I borrow a pencil? Number 5, when you borrow supplies, give them back. Can I borrow a pencil?
What'd you do?
I lost it. I don't know where it is.
Are you eating it?
Can I borrow a pencil?
Oh my gosh, I'm gonna start charging you.
Thank you. Can I borrow a pencil?
I want my pencils back. Okay. Number 6, it doesn't matter which chair you sit in.
I want this one.
I want the pink one. No! No!
Get out! Number 7, running in the halls is not a good idea.
Woo! Woo! Number 8, keep your hands and feet to yourself.
Number 9, take pride in your schoolwork. Mrs. D'Amico, do we need to keep this?
Yes, you need to put it away in your homework folder. Take it home.
Okay.
Do not make loud noises coming from your body.
Did you hear that?
I'm glad I was your teacher. I've come to love you so. I can't believe the end is here. I hate to see you go. You're such a star, and I love you so dearly. You light up my life. I mean that sincerely. Remember all the fun we had and all the things we did, but most of all, remember, you're a very special kid.
It's time to say goodbye. This is the end of the year. I think I have something in my eye. No, it's just a tear. I've watched you learn and grow and change from day to day. I hope that you have come to know something to guide your way. So I will treasure happy memories as I send you out the door, hoping you have the expertise to handle what life holds in store. Good luck at Adams.
And may sunshine and happiness surround you when you're far from home. And may you grow to be proud, dignified and true. And do unto others as you'd have done to you. Be courageous and be brave, and in my heart you'll always stay, forever young